Ah, the internet. You gotta love it, don't you? But your digital clutter might just be the thing that's keeping you stuck. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about your digital clutter and how it may be the thing that is keeping you stuck. The thing is, the unlimited storage space of the internet really makes it easy to forget that we need to declutter our digital space. There are many, many different types of clutter, and even in your digital clutter, you've got scarcity clutter, you've got worthiness clutter, and you've got obligation clutter that is cluttering up your digital space and keeping you stuck. And it's time to do a digital declutter. So what are we talking about here? Declutter your digital space and get rid of all of those unfinished courses and programs that you think you have to finish. If you've gotten what you need out of them and you're done, now they're just clutter and they're keeping you stuck. The same is true for all those FOMO products that you had to have, courses that you bought that you never ever looked at, never used. You didn't need them. They're just cluttering up your digital space and they're keeping you stuck in scarcity. You also have people cluttering up your digital space. Friends, Facebook friends, fans, people that may be cluttering up your digital space. You know who they are. The people that you open up Facebook and cringe when you see them on your timeline. It's time to unfriend, block and delete. The block button is your friend. You don't have to be friends with people on Facebook just because you've met them. They are cluttering up your digital space and they are keeping you stuck in your business. Digital clutter will keep you just as stuck as any other physical clutter in your space. So when you're doing your spring cleaning this year, don't forget to declutter your digital space. Leave a comment down below and let me know what more you want to know about designing a business that you love. And while you're down there, don't forget to get your subscribe on so that you don't miss a single video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.